Okay, welcome back, and now we're going to do another example of using the quadratic formula here. Okay, so again, we just got to pick out our A, B, and C, and then plug in chug. So now, we have to put this in standard form. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides to move this 5 over here, and what I'm going to end up with is 3x squared minus 7x minus 5 equals 0. Now I can choose and pick out my A, B, and C. But again, if you're prone to making sign errors, remember standard form has plus signs. It's ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So A, B, and C is what we need. So if you're prone to making sign errors, just make plus negative, make this into a plus negative, and now you can see that A is equal to 3, B is equal to negative 7, and C is equal to negative 5. And now all I have to do is plug it into the formula, the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay? So now I just plug and chug, because this is going to be what? Negative b. Now it's the negative of b. b is negative 7. So it's the negative of negative 7 plus or minus the square root of negative 7 squared minus 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is negative 5. Now I'm going to divide that whole thing by 2 times a, which is 3. Now I just have to simplify. So now this is going to become 7 plus or minus the square root of, well, this is going to be 49. Now this is a minus times a minus, so that's going to be plus, and this is going to be 12 times 5, which is 60, right? And now that's all going to be divided by 6. And so now if I simplify it even further, look, I get 7 plus or minus the square root of 109 divided by 6. Now here's the thing. 109 is not a perfect square. So we're going to have to put this in our calculator. Okay? So that, before we do that, what does this mean? It means that x is going to equal either 7 plus the square root of 109 divided by 6, or it's going to equal 7 minus 109 divided by 6. Those are your two answers. So what we need to do is we need to put these in our calculator separately. So I'm going to give you this one and this one. So what we end up with is x is going to be approximately equal to either 2.91 or negative 0.57. Now again, what I would do is you could put this in your calculator, and because these are approximate values, you're not going to get exactly 0, but you should get close, okay? But these are the answers. Have a great day.